Hi everyone, this is Brendan from Lemon Ledger. If you run an agency or manage remote teams, you've probably wondered whether TopTrack is still worth using in 2026. It's been around for years, widely used, but the real question is not whether it works, it's whether it works well for modern client relationships. So today we'll break this down clearly. So let's start with where TopTracker shines. TopTracker is best for agencies that operate on hourly billing models. If your business relies on tracking time spent rather than measuring deliverables, this tool fits naturally. It's especially useful for remote teams where visibility is important. For example, distributed development teams, freelance marketplaces, outsourced support teams, and agencies with clients who specifically request screenshot proof. It's also ideal for teams that need strong internal accountability. Managers can see activity levels, application usage, and screenshots without needing extra systems. So, if your primary need is monitoring time and verifying activity, then Top Tracker still does that very well. So, let's talk about who should think carefully before using it. Top Tracker may not be the best fit for agencies that focus on outcome based work rather than hourly effort. For example, brand strategy firms, marketing agencies focused on deliverables, creative studios, or even consulting teams. These types of agencies don't just need to show time spent, they actually need to show the progress, impact, and results that their work makes. Another group that may struggle with Talk Tracker is agencies that work with trust based clients who prefer high level updates rather than detailed activity monitoring. For them, screenshot tracking can sometimes feel intrusive rather than reassuring. So let's look at Top Tracker's biggest strengths. The first strong feature is automatic activity tracking. Once you start a session, the tool captures time, keyboard and mouse activity, screenshots, and application usage automatically. This creates a reliable proof without manual input. The second strong feature is transparent reporting. Top Tracker generates clear reports showing time logs, activity levels, and visual evidence. This makes billing conversations easier because you can support invoices with actual data rather than just descriptions. These two features together make it very dependable for activity verification. Let's go into the common frustrations that agencies face when using Top Tracker. The first frustration is a lack of narrative context. Your reports show activity, but they don't automatically explain what was achieved. Clients often still ask, so what did we accomplish this week? What progress was made in our project? So agencies must add explanations manually. The second frustration is that screenshot based proof can sometimes create misunderstanding. Clients may see a snapshot or a browser tab of a document and misinterpret it. For example, research work can appear inactive or unclear. This can lead to unnecessary questions and extra back and forth communication. So while Top Tracker provides effort well, it doesn't always communicate progress clearly. From a value perspective, Top Tracker is attractive because it offers strong tracking functionality without high barriers to entry. For agencies that want reliable activity monitoring without investing in complex project management systems, it proves solid value. Its simplicity and accessibility make it a practical starting point for many teams. For context, this is how we do this in Lame Ledger, which is the tool we use ourselves. If your main goal is not just to track activity, but to clearly prove work and progress, Lame Ledger approaches it differently. Instead of focusing primarily on screenshots and activity levels, it connects time tracking directly to tasks, deliverables, and outcomes. You can even input blocker statuses, progress tracking, insert attachments, and all sorts of commentary on your task. So your clients don't just see what hours were logged, they see what moved forward, what was completed, and what impact the work had. This reduces the need for separate explanations and creates a clearer story of progress. So, for agencies whose biggest challenge is communicating value rather than monitoring activity, this approach often feels clearer and more friendly. If you want to see this approach in full, Lemledger's link below.